are going to make a lantern Piccachu. So what you need is, the first one is a lantern. So this one you can stretching out, and a colors papers. So we using a black one, red, little bit white, and some pink one for makes face. Okay, right. So let's start. So first of all, you need to stretching up, and they have a piece of plastic here. You need to put it in. You see the little thing around here, which is you need to put it in between here, and you pull it up here, and you see this little thing, and here you can just put it in, gently put it in here. So now you got a nice lantern. Okay, so this is ready to decorate a face. I'll put this aside first. For Piccachu's eye here, you find something in the circle shape, and we will draw this. Here I got. So let's draw two eyes. Here. So what next? We need to draw circles. So here we can use this one again, but this time we use the inside to make a circle. 1, 2, and you also make a small circles, smaller than this, 2 of them. One, two. Here, so you got this circle, and now what we need to do, we're going to stick this inside the eyes. Yeah, we stick one down, the big one down, and the smaller circles, this up the other side like this. So it looks like have a two inner eye, but actually it's making it look more cute. Here. Here, so you got eyes. And next what we need a cheek. The cheek here we need a pink color, so I'll put the pink color. The cheek, it needs to be like oval shape, so what I can do, I can draw an oval shape here like this. And we cut them again. Another one. The other one. So you got two cheeks and a little mouth. So the mouth. So let's put it on first. So I got two eyes here, and I'm going to put an eyes on here. Here. So this one, because I got this on already, so I need to put this and put this one on. Here. And the other cheeks. So we got cheeks, right? And next we need a little nose, so we put the nose here. The nose is easy, you just need to use a leftover and you draw into a triangle shape. You cut them out. Here, and we could put the triangle shape here. Here, and now what I need a smiling. So I can just either you can use this marker to draw a smile, or you can cut a paper to make a smile. This one you can use the black color, or you can use a red color to be a smile. It's your style. So if you're going to use this, you can draw in the U shape like this, like a smiling here. And now let's cut this. One going to be equal, so I put it here, maybe trim a little bit. Yeah. And next we can put a smile on here. So done with the face of the Piccachu. And next what we need to do, we can cut an ears. We need two ears for Piccachu, because the Piccachu have a pointy ear. So what we can do, we can draw, we can fold this, we can fold in half here, and what you need to do, you just draw in a curve shape, just like this. Here. Okay, and we need to do, we split them in half because we need two ears. And because the end of the ear, there are some black color mixing with it, so we're going to put the black color to the end of the ear. So you just cut into a triangle shape and stick on top part here. don't worry if it's too big, we can trim them out later. Here. And the next one. It's a bit too long for this. So here, and I can trim this part out a little bit. It's quite soft, so what we need to do, we might need to make it 4 ears. So we will stick them together, use some glue. Yeah. And the other one. Okay, we'll stick this to make it a bit stronger. Here. Okay, now we can stick ear. Here you got the ear, Piccachu. So we leave this to dry. And next, what we need a Piccachu tail. The Piccachu tail. Because the Piccachu tail is shaped like a zigzag, like a thunder, so we're going to draw a zigzag, a thunder. Again, because we want them it's a bit stronger, so we fold in half this time. Okay, and you can draw a shape. Now we cut them. And again, because this one it's quite soft, so we can add glue, put them together. Okay, and the end of this, because it's black color, so we need to put some black color on. Let's cut some triangle tape and we stick it on. Yeah. And we stick it on like this. So here is a little bit left over, so we can just put it like this, or you can cut them out like this. And now you can work on the back, you can cut them out. Okay. So this, you've got the Piccachu tail. And now we need to stick the tail. So it's kind of soft a little bit. So we stick the tail on here. So I put a big glue on here in the back. I'm sticking the tail on the back here. We tap them a little bit and we will wait for them to dry. Okay, now you've got the Piccachu and now we need to wait for them to dry.